Welcome to Valor Ridge in West Mobile, Alabama. My featured home of the day is this Cali Floorplan. It's a 4-bedroom with 2 full baths. It's almost 1,800 square feet. It features granite countertops in the kitchen as well as the bath, stainless steel appliances, a 2-car garage. This home comes standard with the smart home package. And don't forget, this is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Don't forget, anytime you visit a new construction community, make sure you tell them that you're working with Frankie Wink. You deserve a buyer's agent working for your best interests. And the best part is, the builder pays my compensation. You get the best of both worlds. I know what you're thinking. Will you get a better deal if you don't use a buyer's agent? Absolutely not. New construction homes are priced to sell. The prices have to remain the same for the other homes in the community to appraise. That's why builders offer incentives. Call today to find out what our local incentives are. Incentives like interest rate buydowns and the builder contributing towards your closing costs are ways that we can save you money without affecting the appraisal value of the home. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call me. Let me show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home.